So today we are going to test and review the Trustfire MINIX3 flashlight. Stay tuned. So the company Trustfire sent me this really cool flashlight to test and review for them. So what comes with the flashlight? Nice box for one. And in the box is very minimal. Instructions, flashlight, and there's also a USB cord. I did take it out, but there is a flashlight. It looks small, but it's a very powerful flashlight. What I'll do is I'll show you the different mode settings. I used it out camping this past week, and it's a very powerful little flashlight. And I'll show you the different modes, and I'll put the specs up about the flashlight. So this is the laser mode. My cats love this thing. Out of all the lasers I've ever gotten, this one is their favorite one. This is a spotlight that goes up to 1,000 lumens. That is very bright. This is UV. You can't see it very well, but UV is usually used, like you can see right there. UV is usually used to detect counterfeit money. You can also find blood and urine. I've had one before, and had a cat that was spraying, so I actually found all the spots. So it's pretty cool. So the last mode is floodlight. It goes to low, medium, and high. This is the spotlight, and has the three modes: low, medium, high. Oh, higher. Wow. So this is the floodlight. It has two modes. It's very bright. So here are the modes more in depth right here of all the different options that it does. You can see here the different lighting of the laser, the UV, the warm light, and the white light. It is magnetic, and it's a very strong magnet. So these are a few ways that you can utilize the UV light. And it's very convenient just to snap onto your belt or put it on your backpack. So my final thoughts about the flashlight. For something so little, this is a very powerful flashlight. Comparing it to one of my other flashlights, which I have several, this is very bright. And the different modes that it has, and my cats love the laser. I'm telling you, it's like the best laser that they've ever played with. And being magnetic is great if you're, working on your car or something like that. Stick it off to the side. It's got the little belt clip. You can clip it on your belt or clip it on your backpack. Keep it in your car. It's very heavy duty too, which is a good thing. I haven't even had to charge it up yet, and I've used it like for 2 days. So it is getting low. So the UV mode was very hard to film. You can actually shine it on something and see it a little bit better. I'll try to do that, but it didn't work too well for me camping for you to see the UV mode. I definitely highly suggest this flashlight. So I think it's a really good deal. It's a very good bargain for what it does. And like I said before, it's a very powerful flashlight for something so little. It really packs a punch. So I'll leave the link for the discount code, and they are offering another $20 off on it. So that's a very good deal. You guys check it out. I'll put the links in the description, and go pick up one for yourself. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you on my next video.